In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F05 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. All you need to do is click on one of your apps and launch it in the background. Then tap on the icon of it and select Open in pop-up view. As you can see now, I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold this sign at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. If you want to use more options of pop-up view, click on this sign at the top and use all of those. If you want to close it, you can simply launch it in the background and swipe it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!